wanted to share this electric rechargeable knee massager with you. It's really good relief for any knee issues, soreness, arthritis, discomfort. It has therapeutic infrared lights, 3 different intensity levels, and different timing options. You can go for 15, 20, 25, or 30 minutes. It has this adjustable strap here for a secure fit around your knee. All of these settings make it super helpful for any healing process, so you can adjust it to your own needs. It's really easy to control. You just push the buttons. I love the red light and the heating. It also has these different patterns on here. I really like the vibrating setting, kind of helps with swelling. So this is a really awesome product. I love using this in my healing